My dear students, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. Today, we are going to conduct a class about the trigonometry. Trigonometry is a very important branch of mathematics concerned with the specific functions of angles and their applications to calculation. This part, the questions may come for competitive examinations like IAS Preliminary, Staff Selection Commission, Bank Test, and various engineering entrance. Trigonometry. The main functions of trigonometry is there are 6 functions, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. This is a right triangle A, B, C. In that right triangle, this angle is, let it be theta. So, trigonometry function, that is sine theta. Sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite sides of theta divided by hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse because the side opposite to this 90 degree, this is 90 degree. That is known as hypotenuse. So, sine theta is equal to opposite side of theta. This side is opposite side. This side is hypotenuse. This side is known as adjacent side. So, opposite side sine theta equal AB divided by AC, because this is opposite side. This is opposite side of theta. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. So sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That is AB by AC. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. This is first trigonometric function. Then second one is cos theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of theta, that is this side. This side is hypotenuse. This side is opposite side. So this side, that is BC is equal to adjacent side. Cos theta is equal to BC divided by AC. That is equal to adjacent side. Divided by hypotenuse. That is, hypotenuse is opposite side of this angle 90 degree. Clear? Then next trigonometric function, that is known as tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side equal AB. Adjacent side is BC. So opposite side by adjacent side. Clear? These are the main functions of this trigonometry. If we know these three functions, we can easily calculate next three trigonometry functions. Because this is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. But tan theta is also equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta, because sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC divided by, that is sin theta. Cos theta is BC by AC. AB by AC divided by BC by AC, that is opposite side by hypotenuse divided by adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to AB by AC into AC by BC equal AB by BC. AC cancel. AB by BC is tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Then cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta. 1 by sin theta. That is equal to 1 by AB by AC. 1 by AB by AC, that is equal to AC by AB. AC by AB equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Divided by opposite side. Clear? Then, if you have any doubt, please comment in my comment box. Next step is secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. That is equal to 1 by BC by AC equal AC by BC. That is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Adjacent side. So secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. That is equal to 1 by BC by AC. That is equal to AC by BC. That is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. First you must study all these fundamentals. If you don't know these fundamentals, trigonometry will be very, very difficult part. Then cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta, that is equal to 1 by tan theta is AB by BC. That is equal to BC by AB. 1 by tan theta. BC by AB. That is equal to adjacent side by divided by opposite side. Clear? So, trigonometric functions are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. These are main three trigonometric functions. If you know these three trigonometric functions, other three you can calculate easily, because cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Then secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. And cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Then cot theta is also cos theta by sin theta, because tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Then some formulas are there. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this formula we can find out the sin square theta. Bring cos square theta to right hand side. So this will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then cos square theta, bring sin square theta to right hand side. So this will be 1 minus sin square theta. Clear? So you must study the formula also by heart. So if you know this concept and formulas, it will be very easy part of mathematics. Then these trigonometric functions sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. These are the 6 trigonometric functions. We can use this trigonometry to find out the height of a tower and the length of a ladder and the breadth of a river. We can apply to find out all these measurements. The next formula is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Similarly, 1 plus cot square theta cosecant square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. From 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So what is tan square theta? Tan square theta is equal, bring 1 to the right hand side. So tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Therefore, cot square theta equal cosecant square theta minus 1. Clear? So study all these formulas. Any doubt? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Then in next video we will continue the trigonometry. If you study these formulas, and I will conduct 15 videos. Already I had conducted 6 videos for 10th standard students. Then if you attend all these 15 videos sincerely and practice all the problems, then you can score 70 to 80% marks in the coming examination. Clear? Thank you. Okay.